What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be talking about, as you know, the title, about getting to the next level of our life. As you know, in order to get to the next level of your life, it's going to have to take some shedding. Just like a snake, you're going to have to shed the past you in order to get to the next level of the new you, okay? In order to get to this next level, you're going to have consistency. You're going to need to meet the discipline, and you're going to have to cut out all distractions, okay? Every single distraction. Say for me, for example, 3 or 4 days ago, I was working at my 9-to-5 job. I was with this guy, and now I'm in a whole nother city, doing a whole different thing with a better job, making more money. Okay. And I'm single. Now, for somebody that might be like kind of crazy, like, what are you talking about? But some people are holding you back. Okay, some people are literally holding you back. And I think about this all the time. Like, I'm 22, so in my head, we have time. Don't let nobody tell you that you don't have time to have kids, have time to get married. You have time. Of course, we're still on borrowed time, and tomorrow is not promised, but do not rush the process. I used to be that same girl, 18, 19 years old. I want to get married. I want to do this, I want to do that. Now, I still desire to get married, but I'm not in a rush to do it. Do you understand? I'm not in a hurry to make it happen. I know that as my money starts to grow, the type of men that I'm going to be interested in is going to change. You feel what I'm saying? So, like, through every single level that I achieve, boom, 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 something more, something greater, my type of man is not going to be the type of man. See what I'm saying? I'm not going to be interested in the type of man that I was interested in when I was 18. Okay? See what I'm saying? I'm kind of going to level up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, as your money starts to flow in, you can start focusing on your appearance more. You can start focusing on your finances more. Like, you could just start leveling up. You know what I'm saying? That money is just going to make you look better and stuff like that. So, don't rush it. Live below your means. Stack that bread, okay? It's okay to look cute. Like, it's okay to look cute. We all want to look beautiful. We all want to look beautiful. But generational wealth is my end goal, okay? I want to build generational wealth. I want to get to a level to where I'm not living a mediocre life. I'm not living a basic life. My children don't have to go to the public school if they don't want to. They can go to private school. They can be homeschooled because we got the funds to make it happen. My kids can have new cars. They can have new clothes. They can have new shit. They ain't got to deal with the hand-me-downs because we got that guap. You feel me? But in order to get to that level, it's going to take you shedding that past you. It's going to take you being quiet. It's going to take you being consistent. It's going to take you not having those distractions, not having men in particular in your damn ear, trying to get inside your drawers, trying to get you off your game, low-key hating on you, low-key being jealous and envious of you. You're going to have to get to a new level, and it's going to take a lot of pain. Like, it's going to take a little bit of sacrifice. And as we talk about sacrifice, we speak in, of course, because I believe in Jesus Christ, we're going to talk about the Bible. Every person in the Bible has sacrificed something to get what they want from the Lord. Okay? When we're talking about sacrifice, Daniel had to fast for 21 days. That means my nigga was starving. He had to sustain from food in order to get what he came for. Ruth had to do the same thing. Okay? These people had to literally fast in order to get what they wanted from the Lord. That is a sacrifice. Okay? That is a sacrifice. For anybody in the back who don't know, no, that's not a sacrifice. It's a sacrifice. Okay? You're sacrificing something in order to get something else. There's no way that you can reach a next level. There's no way you can get to a next season, get to the next thing if you do not sacrifice, okay? So this season is going to take you sacrificing. Sacrifice is going out with your friends. Sacrifice spending all that money. What are you trying to achieve? Do you understand what you want? Okay? You have to know what it is that you desire. You cannot be walking around here looking clueless. I need you to go ahead and have a talk with the Lord about it. Do whatever you need to do to get an answer. Do whatever you need to do to get an answer. Because if it's in God's will, it's God's will. God is going to pay for it. God's going to pay for that job. He's going to pay for that school. He's going to pay for it if it's in his will. God is going to pay for it, baby. All right? And through this season, you need to have faith. Have faith that everything is going to work out for you. And I want you to believe that nothing bad can go wrong. Like, how could it go wrong? And even if it does go wrong, I need you to understand that you're going to make it out of it. You cannot have negative thoughts in this season. You can't be around people who are talking negative about you. You got to go. Anybody who's questioning you, anybody who's bringing things of the past, anybody who's getting you off your grind, getting you off your game, getting you distracted, having you delayed, they need to go. And it's going to hurt, of course, but it's necessary in order to reach the next level of your life. I always think about this. I always tell myself, every single year I got to be doing something different. I can't be doing the same thing every year. And I say this because so much can happen in a year. 365 days is too much time for me to be sitting on my booty doing the same thing. You understand? It just doesn't make sense. Every year I have to learn a skill. I have to get some type of credential. I have to get something under my belt. Because where your money is going to really come from is your value. Do not chase money. Chase yourself. Chase you getting in the gym. Chase you learning a new skill. Chase you becoming a better communicator. Chase your appearance. Goddamn. Chase the Lord. But chase everything. But don't chase no goddamn money or a man. Never chase money. Never chase a man. Okay? That's the two that I'm trying to tell you. Chase yourself. Chase the woman that God called you to be. And if you're God, chase the man that God called you to be. Do not chase a woman. Do not chase the money. Okay? I'm really not speaking to guys. Chase that woman. If you really want her, you better chase her. Okay? Period. But for the women out there, because I'm really speaking to the girls, do not chase money and don't chase a man. Because what's going to happen is God is going to call the right people into your life at the right time. And it's going to work out for you. Okay? You should be focusing on yourself, building skills, building value, and becoming an asset in every single person's life you step into. Okay? Every time you get into somebody's life, you should be very cautious. You should be very suspicious. You should be very quiet. Because if you are valuable, you have skills, you obtain communication, you know how to sell, you are a salesman, you are a woman who has obtained things, who has things under her belt, you should be very quiet. Because guess what? When you step into a room, you don't have to announce that you are the best. You don't have to announce that you are the greatest. You don't have to announce that you're the prettiest. You don't have to announce anything, because you are that. When you are that, you don't have to announce it. Why would I announce how great I am when I know how great I'm great? You don't have to get the validation from no one, because guess what? God gives me the validation, period, number one. And number two, I keep promises to myself, and I keep goals that I set out for myself. And because I know how to do that, there's nothing that nobody can tell me. And every person life I walk into, they become better, they become greater, and they see my value, and they see that I'm an asset. Okay, people recognize that immediately. They recognize that almost instantly. Like, oh yeah, I gotta get to know who that is, right? They gotta get to know you, because you're just not a basic girl. You're a girl with a life. You're a girl with goals. You're a girl who do shit. You're a girl who handle business, who stand on business, and who's not going for the bare minimum and mediocrity. Okay? You cannot be mediocre in the season. Please don't. We're all on different journeys, but whatever your goals and your desires are, you can achieve them, number one, if you put God first and if you stay focused and disciplined. Okay? Speak positivity into your life, and you can get to whatever you want to be. Okay? Set the goal out. Do it. Don't stop until you get it. I don't care if it take you 3 years. You better make it happen like abracadabra. Do you hear me? All right. I love you, and I'm out.